Hi, okay, today we're doing a video. It's April 14th, 2018. We're with my good friend Shannon on the camera. Say hi, Shannon.
Hi.
We are unboxing the Sony Blu-ray disc DVD player and Blu-ray. This one also connects to Netflix and YouTube and a few other online services. So this is an unboxing video, so we'll show you what's in the box. This was factory sealed, purchased at Walmart the other night for $79 plus tax. I've already cut the security tape here, so this was the factory sealed unit when purchased. Right, and right over here we have the power supply. This is your standard power supply. Right, we got the remote control. Back in the 80s, people called these demoners because they made like a sound when you click them. Because they weren't infrared back in those days like they are now. So that's your remote control. It's got a dedicated button for Netflix, the home button, and a favorite one. I'll probably program that for YouTube. It actually feels pretty good. And in here is the two batteries for that. We'll be putting the batteries in the remote in the sec. So this is reassuring that this is a factory sealed one, right? And that's the piece of cardboard. And this here is the unit itself. It's got the instruction manual. We'll just open this up and show you what this is. Well, you know what this is, duh. This is the unit itself. And on the back it's got the connections for the Ethernet port or the LAN network, which is crucial because I did buy one last week that did not have that, and it was wireless. It didn't work that good. There's your HMD out to the TV. There's your power supply, and on the front it's got the spot where the disc will open up to, and right there for the USB. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this all up, and we'll show you the setting of it up.
You're on.
Okay, we got it all plugged in now. It's got the USB feature. What I'm doing now is just copying a couple movies onto it. So we got the Sony remote that came with it. This is a white Westinghouse television. It only has one input for HMDI. This actually TV is from 2008, and it's actually an overgrown computer monitor. As you can see, it's a 37-inch 1080p display. And okay, we're going to follow the in-screen instructions. I don't know if the video is picking that up. So we're going to go English. And okay, it's got to read this. Startup could be shortened by selecting on. Power consumption will increase when you startup time could be shortened when selected on. When on is selected, power will increase. So leave it off or what?
I don't know.
Can you pause it for a sec? Okay, we're back on here. We're going to leave it off. All it means is it takes longer to power, but I'm in no big hurry because I used to use the computer for this anyway. So we're going to hit enter. And it's connecting to the network right now. There's an update, everybody. So we're going to do the update, then we'll check back in a couple minutes. Okay, while it's updating the firmware software, I just want to show you the two manuals, because in Canada, since we are bilingual, Quebec, they speak French back east. Everything has to be like a duplicate, so there's an English manual and French manual, and the box is also bilingual too, right? So as you can see, we're going to take another quick break, and when that's over, we'll be testing the unit out. Thank you. Okay, we've done the update, and let's come to this screen here. Just basically, it says the user end agreement. Nobody reads any of this, and why would you not agree? Because if you don't agree, you won't be able to use it. So we're going to agree and next. Oh, what was that? Oh, internet connection, entire internet. Okay, there's YouTube. So right off the bat. Actually, no, we're going to try the USB first. You can add your favorite apps here. So I think what we're going to do here now, people that are watching, I'm going to test it out on my own, then we'll go back and do like a demo on the video. Okay, so we'll take another quick break.
You're on.
So as you can see, you got featured apps like Netflix, NBL Baseball, Crackle, and the YouTube. That's the main one why I got it. Some of these are premium ones, but YouTube, we're gonna hit the enter button on here. It's gonna go right to YouTube. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick search up here, and we've already searched before. Metal Jesus Rocks. We're going to show you some of his content very quickly. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. He does a great job of doing demos of retro video gaming. So we're going to hit the enter button again, and this is going to his channel. And this is all his guide. Like recently he did a buyer guide on the Super Nintendo NES. So we're just going to hit enter, and we'll just show you how it boots up to that. We're showing you this in real time, the loading time, which is some people would say it's a bit long, but it's not too bad considering what it's doing. And there's Immortal Jan Hancock. So you've seen those two guys. So what we'll do now is to get back, you hit the return button. So we're going to hit return. Then what we're going to do now is hit return again. Then it has a USB input that we're going to show you next. Yeah, we want to enter exit YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to try the USB input, which is right here on the front. So we'll put that in there, and it should load up to that. Okay, it's found it, so we got to go down to that USB device. Enter. Oh, and this is really good because the other one I had didn't show the names like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
So to prevent copyright violations, we're just going to show you like a few seconds of the Island Thrift Hunters. What we'll do. These 1989 Twitter fans, Airport 25, a great movie. Thank you, Island Thrift Hunter. So we'll just key this up and watch like a couple seconds of this. Well, this is season 2 of that. So you see how that boots up, right? It goes right up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then to stop it, you hit the stop button. Then you go return, and yeah, so you get that. So what we're going to do now is we'll try the Netflix app in a sec. So if we're going to take another quick break.
You're on.
Okay, and then Netflix, it works good too. Like it's your basic, like hit enter button, and it will go to the Netflix. And I've already entered my password and all that in, and again, it's a bit. Some people would say it's a bit long loading, but it's not really too bad considering that it's got to connect to an outside server, right? There, and normally you would just click me, like says me, I'm Rob, like, so.
I hope you're Rob.
You click there. Well, no, because if you were a guest, you would click yes, or you had like, if you had kids over you, and it's just, it's sort of like everyone knows Netflix, like,
yeah,
we won't click on any of these because of the copyright procedures, like, so what we'll do is we're going to return to the main menu now. We're just going to take one of these at random. Like to go. It's exiting. And it gets to the main menu, and we'll pick one of these at random, one of these other apps, like. Then we'll try out the Blu-ray system. So you got these over here. Where are we going? the Wow Television Network. Like, we'll just check this out. I don't know what this is. And we'll try out the other player system. Sony content, link your Sony device. You must link your... Oh, we gotta... So what we'll do is we won't do this now. Oh, we'll write down the registration code. Can you...
You're on.
So to conclude our installation of the Blu-ray disc player made by Sony, the model is DP S1700. So far we're giving it a 10 out of 10. And it did play, as you saw, the Netflix, and it played the YouTube, and it did play the USB. I don't know if you showed that on the thing. I think we did. Yeah, we did. But it also played the 3 varieties of DVDs I have here. We didn't show that on the video due to copyright violations. So this was actually a recording I made of a Canucks game through another DVD recorder back on March 27, 2006. LA Kings were playing Vancouver Canucks. Alec Sproul scored 3 goals that night. So like I said, that was recorded on a recordable DVD player like 12 years ago. Right, the next one we tried was a Race the Sun movie. That it's a copy of a DVD, and the only reason why I made the copy of the DVD is my original copy of the movie Race the Sun was scratched a bit. So in order to preserve the movie, I copied it onto a DVD, but that was also back in February 2006. So that's a long time ago, and that still played. And I recently picked up the movie The Girl on the Train. This is a Blu-ray digital download, but we played the Blu-ray version, part of it, and it worked perfectly. So it does play everything that we needed to. So this is, I guess, Rob and Shannon
Signing off.
And we would like you all to have a great day. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.